In 1956, the first motorised go-kart was produced by Art Ingalls and Lou Borelli. They will be so proud of what the world has done with go-karts, and from the humble beginnings of a lawnmower engine to a 50cc to an all-electric range, FunBikes now has this. Good afternoon, it's Vish here. Let's get stuck into the FunBikes Funkart Pro 1000 watt review. Starting at the rear of the Funkart, we have an 1000 watt train driven motor. You also have 4 12 volt batteries which amount to 48 volts in a nice battery box here which is strapped in. On either side you do have your hydraulic brakes and you do have your single shock absorber at the back. And at the front of the Funkart there are left and right shock absorbers, 7-inch wheels all the way round, and for safety we do have a roller bar. Now moving to the inside of the Funkart, it does have a bucket seat which is adjustable, followed by a seat belt. The driver of the Funkart will have a mini dashboard. It does have your on and off switch, followed by a battery gauge, levels 1 to 4, and you do have your speed settings, high and low. Now at the lowest it goes at 10 miles an hour, and at the highest it can reach 20 miles an hour. Bearing in mind the rider's weight and the skill and how they're using the accelerator does affect this, and it is followed by your forward and reverse switch. So that's the end of our review, guys. If you do wish to purchase one of our Funkarts, please go to funbikes.co.uk for more information or just give us a call and we'll see you soon.